In this video, we'll introduce the best camcorder available in the market for this year.
Through extensive research, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's performance price or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.
Panasonic 4K. The Panasonic 4K camcorder can record with Ultra HD quality and capture 1080p resolution pictures thanks to the integrated Ultra Sharp technology. It has a built-in electronic viewfinder that lets you shoot footage like a pro, using the quick editing features to enhance and polish your content. This model comes with an impressive 18.91 megapixel and a BSI MOS image sensor with 5-axis stabilization. It also features an additional camera that enables two-way recording, controlling each camera's settings separately while simultaneously recording. Panasonic Camcorder HC V180K. This camcorder is perfect for shooting footage or taking still images. Its 28mm lens covers a wide angle, perfect for capturing large group shots. It features an 8-inch BSI image sensor with a resolution of 2.20 megapixels that can take vivid, true-to-life pictures. One of the standout features of this camcorder is shooting soundless footage using the silent movie feature. It also includes additional effects, including 8mm movie, time-lapse, and miniature effect to enhance your recordings. This camcorder has an integrated internal microphone. Sony FD-RAX53/B. This camcorder has a 3-inch touchscreen that is accessible and easy to use. It comes with an Exmor-R sensor that can capture compelling footage with clear, sharp pictures. This camcorder also has a night vision feature to capture footage in darkness or low lighting conditions. It features an integrated zoom microphone that lets you record audio from far away. Your purchase includes an AC adapter, a USB cable, a power cord, and an easy-to-read instruction manual to get you started.